Well, that's nearly the last set of wires to solder up. Just on the DC pumps. Sensors I'm leaving until I install the thing and know how long my other cables are going to be and what wire goes to what pin. But at the minute they're all set up and wired in to the ends there. The loops through for the timers, SSR controls, mains in, so on and so forth. So we just got it upright at the minute, just so it's a little bit easier to solder those connections. But she's pretty much done now, so I'll flip it on the side so we can get a better view. Well, shot you're rather used to now, but minus the masking tape, as is. Just undo that catch. Oh, and the other one, that would help. Quite a firm fit. So there we have it. Spaghetti junction. There's a volt and ammeter up there. And now all the business end is all wired up. So apart from what I just said about the sensors, we should be ready for an illumination test. Or a smoke test. Let's see what happens. Right, let's just crack open an inaugural celebratory or commiseratory. Don't care either way because it's too friggin' hot. Ace of Chinook by Brewdog. Ooh. I think I've had this one before. Right, where are we? Ooh, right, let's see where we are now. That beer is too warm, but never mind. Anyway, that was the little bit I was just doing. Focus. So we've just heat shrunk the two cables and then put another piece of heat shrink over the top. And that now connects to the panel meter. I've just connected the PT100s instead of the temporary cables or the sensor cables. So the PT100s are all down here together, just in a cloth, just to keep them away from any potential short circuits should they fall anywhere. I've just rigged up a temporary little mains wire to come in. Obviously there's no heavy load on this at the minute, so we haven't got to worry about any wires melting. So it's plugged in. Let's just check it's on. I want the key. Key. What way around does that go in? That way. Right. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh. 30, 29, 30, 29. Ooh, 49 seconds we're counting down at. Hang on, let's turn the alarm on. I have had to change the programming on that, but yeah, so obviously our current temperature setting is 50 degrees and the one flashing is what is actually reading at the minute, so a nice balmy 30 degrees inside here. So if I turn on the element, boom, obviously it's calling to heat because we're only at 27 and it's set to 50. So that one comes on, as you can hear the chunk of the relay, and the same with this one. Yeah, that's calling again, same thing. Oh. And the timer's finished, that's there. And we can press the reset button and start the 1 minute countdown again. We'll turn that off and shut it up. So we've got pump, pump. Only thing that's not very good is the blue one is not very bright at all for some reason. I don't know whether that's just the colour or... Yeah, it's counting down, so there'll be a little click from a relay soon. Let's just move this over a little bit so the lid doesn't come down. So down there you can see our transformers on that. Mark them up 1 and 2, and this is pump 1, and on comes a little power LED. That'll fade out as it discharges. And 2. So that bit's working. And the contactors that will supply the elements. Get the right one. Can't see that one. So far so good. I actually have a headache now in anticipation of a headache of a job, finding out so whatever was wrong. But fortunately it looks to be, obviously the temperature probes have got to be calibrated once they're fully functional in kettles. So I'll play around with the timer settings because I haven't really delved into, they don't do a lot, but there's 2 settings on there. You only use one anyways. I'll set it up as a countdown timer. I did have to change the output, which is going to go PNP, NPN for a voltage output because the reset button weren't working. Because I've had these individually tweaked. So according to this, we're pulling 0.3 to bugger all of an amp because obviously there's no load on it at the minute. And at 230 volts, which is a little bit on the low side accuracy of the meter, but nothing major. So, we're pretty much there. Just got to do the stickers for the front and design or find something to utilise the original front panel that went on, which will still fit in between the green indicator lamps. Also, if I turn that round the other way, we have a black backing. And I'm going to think of a logo to go on there. Can't put that one back on because the other bits go across it. So, well, that's it. What we're going to do now, I've got to motorise that water jobby, or water solenoid. Get that set up in a little box. Hopefully this is pretty much there. I've just got to get some plug ends for the 12 volt pumps and make leads up, but obviously I can't do that until it's all in situ and I know how far away the pumps and kegs are going to be from the control panel, hence why I'm not wiring up the sensors to the XLR connectors yet, because I might have to buy a longer cable. So, well, next job I've got is the fan as well, and there was something else, it will come to me anyway. Success this farthest anyway. Well, this means all the other big jobs are now on the list. Right. Let's try and think where the friggin' hell I'm going to put all this shit and clear up so that I can actually get back to doing some beer reviews. Right. Catch you next week.